out there. My name is Felix, and welcome to Binary Trading Streams. And on today, as usual, I'm going to teach you some new strategies, some cool stuff for you guys to learn. But before we go ahead, I'd like just to say something to you guys, just to make you guys feel um, like just to get some insight, some experience, and just some knowledge, right? Because you know, traders usually tend to look for trading approaches that work for them, as it is important in order to enhance their trading skills. But of course, traders normally operate with different strategies suitable for different trading instruments and market conditions. But how to know which strategy works for you and which one doesn't, do you guys know? Like, when should you switch up your approach if it's not working? Hmm? But you guys have to understand one thing, that losses and misfortunes are normally normal in trading. But however, if you're noticing a streak, like a lot of losses, and it just means something isn't going right, it might be the time to consider changing things up. Like I've got like five things, five signs that you must see that your strategy isn't working. Your trades are mostly unsuccessful. So most of your trades are unsuccessful. That would be the best time to change up your strategy and look for something else. You're struggling to track your performance. You're struggling to track your performance. That means that you are able to move up. You're always moving down or staying in the middle, moving down or staying in the middle while you're moving down. And your emotions often take over. Your emotions often. I would like to talk about this, and I would like to say that emotions take over. A trading approach has to involve risk management, tools that control the size of the investment, entry and exit conditions, the acceptable risk degree, and so on. These features are aimed to manage your deal even in moments of weakness, like where you might give your emotions fear, greed, and impatience. So yeah, you can't constantly follow your own trading approach. Like sometimes a strategy might require too much energy for the trader, which results in them teaching parts of this approach and not follow it exactly. So you might have a strategy that you're going through perfectly, but you're not following it properly, therefore it's resulting you not doing good. The trading system is too weak, meaning your indicators and everything is not working out. Well, uh, the whole point I'm trying to tell you here is that you really need to come up with a very, very good strategy, right? So let us go into the market today and see what we can learn. All right, let's take this losses away. Okay, so how much did I deposit today? 234. Okay, cool. So pretty much, let's go 30 minutes. So this strategy will work based for like 5 minutes approach. So let's do this. Let's go here. Let's make it 30 minutes. All right, so you go here, you go to investing.com, and you look for a currency that is really, really doing well. So USD JPY is on a strong sell. So you go to USD JPY, strong sell. You look at it here. It's coming from a sell here, but we can see that the price is going up a little bit. So we want something that is really, really performing. The strong buy. Odd USD is on a strong buy. So odd USD. So where is odd USD? It's still early in the morning. I don't even think odd USD is open. Yeah, so it's gonna open up in 22 minutes. That sucks. All right. Let's see what moments we have here. The other two trades that you saw that I lost here was due to the fact that I was trying out a new strategy for you guys, and I didn't know that my time frame was wrong. Okay, so pretty much let me explain to you this strategy so that it can be easier for you guys when you have a moment. So um, also my later, put it on default. Good. and CCI, put it on default, and your moving averages. So your moving averages, your first one, you can change them with any color you want. Your first moving average should be on 14, which is default. And then the second one, which is the green one, should be on 20. Okay, okay, good. So once the red one crosses the green, it's a buy. Once the green, I should change the colors. This is confusing. It's definitely confusing the whole. I feel like I'm betraying the trading community by not having the correct colors on. Okay, cool. So let's make this a red one. Okay, there we go. So when green is on top, it's a buy. And when red is at the bottom, it's a sell, right? But you need to see what kind of trend it is, right? Whether it's a downtrend or an uptrend. So let's just cancel all of these so that the settings can apply. Okay, good. So we are here. Okay, guys, for this example, I'm only going to use these two currencies, these two, because they are the only ones who can have the time frame that we're looking for. All right, so here you can see price broke here, price broke here, and price broke here. Then it's a buy, right? If price breaks here and price broke here and price broke here, that is your sell. Do you understand? You follow these three methods, right? Sorry, these three strategies. So you've got a sell here, you sell, and a sell here. That means price broke down here, and then here price must be below here, and the rate must be on top. That's your sell. So that's where you sell here for 5 minutes. All right, let's look for a buy. How did a buy happen here? How did we get a buy? Green went on top here, and it broke here, and then its price was on top here. Then you buy. Let's look for a sell. Price broke here, and price is below zero here. That is your sell. Your buy is price is on top here, price broke here, and price broke here. So everything must be in order for you to buy or for you to sell. So you must make sure when price breaks here and price is on top here and the green intersects here, then you are selling. So when it's time, how many time frames you should go in for, it's up to you really. You can go in for 5 minutes, for 2 minutes, for 3 minutes. It depends on which trend it is. That's why it's important that you go to investing.com and you look what trend it's going for. Like what's the trend here, right? If it's a natural, sorry, let me just switch on the air condition. It's a little bit too hot here. Alright, so yeah, so you go here. Let's just say we want USD JPY. Do we have USD JPY? Yes. So we have USD JPY, and it says on the 5 minutes it's a strong sell. So we wanted, let's say, what is it doing? Let's have it 1 minute here, 5 minutes here, and then 15, then let's have it 30 minutes here. Okay, cool. Because we are trading within minutes. Okay, cool. So Euro USD says it's a strong sell. We go to Euro USD, and we are happy that it is a strong sell, right? We can see the strong sell. Euro USD JPY, what did they say? They said USD JPY is a strong buy for 1 minute. Sure, let us look for it. Okay, we having it's on top here, it's on top here, and it's on top here. So we are buying. We are buying for 2 minutes. Because I mean, the thing is that all the signals are pointing. Price, okay, price has broken down here. It's supposed to go up here, but we're good here. And let's close here. Let's see, do we have anything else? Yeah. So we're still a bit okay with the second signal, because this is still on top, which is still a buy, and we're just waiting for this to come back up, and this is also above 0. So we still should be good with this trade. So it's early in the morning on my side, and the markets are still sleeping, but I just wanted to demonstrate this for demonstration, just for making the strategy and to show you that this strategy does actually work. But the thing that you must understand here, okay, we never lost anything here, but do not trade this kind of trade. This was a very bad trade for me, right? It's just that I was looking for a moment to teach you guys. But because price has already broke here, right? We're looking for this intersection, right? We're looking for the intersection. We want this to happen and this to happen and this to happen at the same time. We don't want to go into somewhere with a trend that's already trending, right? We want to go when we want to catch it right before it starts the trend, right? So that we can avoid things like this. Okay, so um, same here, right? We're having a buy here. It's gone up, so we're having a green on top, which is what we want. We're having this breaking the line here on top, which is great. Now we're waiting for, let's just have $25,000. All right. So now we're having what is this? We're having this. We're just waiting for it to have a clear break so where we can buy this option. Let's see what investing.com says. It says on Euro USD it's still a strong sell. So it is better for us to look for a sell than to look for a buy. So guys, when you are trading, make sure that you're not over trading. Make sure that you're not just coming here and want to live in an hour making freaking $10,000. You are gonna get to that, but you just need to learn how to take cautious. Look at your trade and see if it's gonna make you money or not. Like this moment that we're having right now, right? If the break wasn't quite strong here, we want something with a stronger break. We want a strong break. We want something like this. We want a strong break. We don't want something like this, and then it goes back down. Even though the green is on top here and it broke here. So all your signals need to be very strong. It needs to be very powerful. Okay, so if you went in here, you went about here, you could be losing already, and that wouldn't feel good, especially when you're trying out a new strategy. It would definitely suck. So let's see. All right, still going up here, which is great. Okay, let's wait for this. It sucks that I can only show you guys on this too, because this other are still sleeping. All right. So if anybody needs me to help them with their trading, I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to help you guys out with your trading. Just hit me up. My email and everything will be there. Just let me know. I can help you guys with your trading, and then you can give me a certain percentage if you guys need some help with that. I can help you trade. Because at the end of the day, the withdrawal is still yours and stuff like that. We just keep it confidential. No, I mean, we're all here to make money, right? If you guys need me to help you with your trading, I'll be willing to trade for you, make money for you, so that we can both make things a little bit easier. So check here. So the green is on top, which is great, and then this is at the bottom, which is not great, and then this is at the red, which is not great. So, and then here we having a strong sell. So this right here is a no trade. Do not trade right now. Wait a bit. Wait for the price to go on top of the green, and then from this here to turn green right here. So we got a green, but then here we still have a problem, and here price is still below. So this is when you are looking for an entry point. Those are your signals for your entry point. As we can see here, that this price here is going to go for a strong sell. Alright, so instead of looking for a buy, you need to now start looking for a sell in here. So what is our sell? This has to be at the bottom. This has to be at the bottom. This has to be at the bottom here. And then the red must be on top of the green. Red must be on top of green. And this must break. And then this must break. Then we are selling. So I think we're going to have a very good moment. Guys, I'm sorry if this is not the kind of video where I'll be showing you a lot of trades and stuff. I'd rather teach you guys on how to actually trade properly. I'd rather teach you on the method than actually try to show you immediately how this trade is making money. Because I mean, this is going to save you guys a lot of time and a lot of frustration. If you guys just follow my method and the approach that I'm doing and just be calm about it, you are gonna make money. You just need to know that it's not gonna it's not gonna happen without hard work, unfortunately. I lost a lot of money before because of ignorance, because I didn't want to learn, you know. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Let's make this channel grow so that a lot of people can become aware of what problems are there in the trading world and what other traders are facing. Let's build a community around this. I do have what is this? My Telegram. So if you want to send me a message there's a link below. Please, if you guys don't have an IQ option account yet, please, there's a link also below. Open your IQ option account so that you guys can start learning, and you guys can start sending me pictures of what you guys are doing so that I can be able to help you. You do remember making these videos to help you guys so that you guys don't end up failing like how I did before and wasting a lot of money. I can be able to guide you and help you. So we're getting, okay, it's getting stronger here. As we can see, let's make it bigger, sorry. Okay, so we can see that, okay, we're good here, and those two are getting closer, and we are waiting for this to drop below. So here we're good. The price is below the rate, which is a great part. And now we're waiting for this to cross. And then we're gonna wait for this to happen. So we're waiting for this to cross, because this has crossed. It's below the rate, which is great. It's telling us we're going for a sell. And investing.com says strong sell, still saying strong sell, which is great. Let me refresh it for you guys. It says strong sell. Good. So strong sell, but the Euro USD still wants to go up. How's the USD JPY doing? It's still doing good. Okay. Alright, so if there was a lot of currencies available, unfortunately I would have showed you guys a lot of trades by now, but this one's only want 5 minutes or more. This strategy does work for 5 minutes and more, guys, but it's just gonna take a little bit longer to have more profits. So okay, so in this moment price is going down here. Price is going down here. Alright, so investing.com says what? Says it's a natural. Let's make it 50 because we've been waiting a bit. Alright, good. So we're gonna go in 5 minutes here because this is gonna break now and it's about to break here. 1, 2. It's gonna be a strong sell, right? Alright, good guys. And this is going to cross here. I just didn't want to waste the entry, but you guys, if you want, you can wait a little bit longer because price will come back around about here or not, or continue going for a sell. So we have a sell here, we have a sell here, we have a sell here, and we have a sell here. And trust me guys, you're in the money. So was it worth the waiting? Let us wait and see, was it worth the waiting? Was it worth the waiting, guys? We got a very strong. Remember I told you guys, do not trade when something like this happens, a small break. You need a very strong break. This is the kind of break you're looking for, a very strong one. And this kind of break would not only help you to make a successful trade, but also make sure that things go all right. So guys, you can see that price is going on a sell. So here's our confirmed sell right here as well, which is great. So normally I need normal because once you start trying out this strategy, you are going to find out that it can work on anything. You can work for any what is this? What can I call it? Forex is not only binary, so it can work for any instrument that you guys want. You don't always have to wait for it to get to that. You don't have to. It works for any currency pair. So guys, you can see here. Make sure guys that investing.com tells you this, and so let's say USD/JPY. So guys, I really would encourage this whole thing here where it says strong. Not this is strong buy, USD/JPY, strong buy. See, so from here, just making money after money after money after money after money. So once the strategy is still going, once price breaks here, but it's still on top here, it's still a buy. So that means that you can be able to buy and sell at any time. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Let's make my channel grow so that I can be able to help you guys in the future. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys are having a successful trade, and I'll get I'll see you guys in the near future, or hear from you guys after you subscribed, and put your comments below so we can have a chat. Alright guys, have a great day, and peace. I'm out.